How does App Annie work here, Bertrand?
Hello, Rich. Good to be here. How does it work in Tokyo? For App Annie, Japan is one of our key markets, our top 3 markets. And as you may know, actually, Japan in the world of apps is the biggest market today in terms of revenue coming from iOS and Google Play combined.
I was actually asking how App Annie itself worked.
Oh, how we work. The way we work is working in collaboration with app publishers as well as consumers to better understand what's happening in the app market. So that means that App Annie ultimately is able to track estimated number of downloads, revenues, time spent, monthly active usage for all the apps across all the stores worldwide.
What trends are you seeing? You must be at the forefront here at the moment. What trends in general are becoming hot? What are perhaps losing ground too?
So what trends are hot? I would say the gaming market is still very hot. It represents 70 to 80% of all revenues on the app stores. Gaming is bigger in East Asia versus the rest of the world, but even in the US and Western Europe, it's pretty big. In terms of trend, it's a lot around developers bringing new IP to market. There is some existing IP being leveraged by a publisher, but a lot is coming from new IPs. Games like Clash of Clans in the US, for instance, have been doing extremely well. In Japan, we have some new IP like Monster Strike doing extremely well in terms of revenues. Outside gaming, a lot is coming from Facebook, for sure. They dominate in terms of free downloads, what's happening through your social network, coming from Facebook directly, Messenger, WhatsApp, as well as Instagram, for instance.
What do you see getting more popular in the future here, Bertrand?
What do I see happening in the future? I see continuous growth, especially in developing markets. If you look at markets like Indonesia, like Russia, like Brazil, India, of course, is becoming one of the new hottest, I think, opportunity in the app space.
Bertrand, let's talk a little bit about the various business models which are employed here as well. Which one tends to work best, freemium, free or premium services?
Definitely, we have witnessed the rise of freemium in the app space, moving from nowhere 5 years ago to really the dominant monetization system for apps, mostly around games, but even outside games. And of course, you have in-app advertising. So other type of apps are not directly monetizing themselves through user action, but through displaying advertising where they get paid for. So a mix of in-app purchase as well as in-app advertising. And of course, we see step by step the big e-commerce players investing more in m-commerce.
Bertrand, last question. What are the trends like in different countries? Let's have a look at, let's say, China versus Japan. What's the mix like there?
So Japan has less in terms of advertising than other countries like the US. I would say both Japan and China rely less on advertising, monetize more directly through user action. Definitely both are really big in-app monetization through really the store, so in-app payment. Both markets are huge in terms of gaming. One big difference is that Google platform is not directly available in China. So that means that local Chinese publishers and foreign app developers have to rely on local Android platforms coming from Baidu, Tencent, Qiru and others on top of the regular platform provided by Apple and iOS.